Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to receive alerts about possible exposure to infectious diseases such as COVID-19 when supported by your local health authority, exposure notifications help you or help keep you informed while protecting your privacy. In iPhone settings 2026, this feature works anonymously with official public health apps. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on exposure notifications on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, go to settings. Okay. Scroll down until you find privacy and security. Okay, so here is it. Tap it. So this section controls health tracking and system level privacy features. Okay. Now scroll down and tap exposure notifications. Okay, so look for the option. So this opens the exposure notifications dashboard. Okay, so turn on exposure notifications. If it's already on, you will see your current status instead. So exposure notifications require an official health authority app. You will be prompted to choose your country or region, install or open the recommended health app. Without a supported app, exposure notifications will not work. Okay, so allow required permissions. When asked, allow Bluetooth notifications, background activity. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.